Welcome to tonight's Treehouse.
Hi everybody, welcome to Natalie's Treehouse. Now we have this robot.
Yep, we have this robot. It is a walking and talking and shooting robot, and Natalie has been really excited to give it a try out.
Now, so can you open it up, Mom?
Yeah, let's open it up. Okay, so now we have our robot open, and we put some batteries in it.
Yeah, and we put some batteries in the remote control. So now we're gonna play with it now.
Yeah. Ooh! Ah! It just shut us. It just shut a foam disc out.
Mommy, can I get it?
Yeah, will you please go get it, Natalie? Alright, can you hit this button one more time? That's so cool, huh?
It's hard.
I think that if we press it again, then we can start programming it according to the instructions. And it'll start doing stuff for us. Can I see the remote? Alright. I have the remote here. Let's see if we push some stuff. Oh!
Here.
What about we
How about iPads in there?
Ooh! We can make them slide?
Mommy, can I do it? Can I?
Sure, hold on. I'm just showing them all the buttons real quick. Can turn him. Can fire. We probably have to reload him. Ooh. What if we dance?
Is he dancing?
He's dancing. That's really cool.
Mommy, can I have it now?
Sure, you have it.
It's that one of the buttons.
Yeah, that's some buttons. So you want to see how you put discs in here? Okay. You lift up his head. You see all these discs that are in here? Woo. You want to put the blue disc in here?
Yeah. How can we get it out?
There.
Okay. Let me look at all the discs and lay on my knee. Wow, so much disc.
Yeah.
Wow. So much disc.
Okay, now put his head down. Okay.
Now let's shoot.
Well, first, to shoot him, first have to hit this ready button. Okay?
This one?
Oh, I can't see.
The ready button. This was the ready button?
That is the ready button. Can you hit that button? Okay. Now, press that little button below the ready button. Try it again. All right. Okay. Stop firing. I surrender. Hit ready again.
I surrender.
I surrender.
Are we gonna hit ready again?
Nope. I think we're good.
Guys, we had so much fun with this robot.
You had so much fun with this robot. Okay. Woo!
What are you doing?
I'm not touching it. He's doing it on his own. Do you want to try some of the other buttons on there?
Okay.
You want to try the dance button? The dance button starts with a D.
Which one?
It says D-A-N-C-E. Dance.
Is he doing it by his own?
Mm-hmm. He's doing it on his own.
I want to dance again.
Okay, you dance again.
Can I do the shoot button?
Sure, do the shoot button.
Identify yourself, or I will shoot.
I want to shoot. I want to shoot you.
No shooting your mommy. That's against the rules.
Bye.
Thank you for watching Natalie's Treehouse, guys. We really love this robot. It's pretty fun. We will see you soon.
Okay, well, we will see you like a lot of hours. But can we take the disc with us?
Sure, baby. We can go play with it some more. All right, bye, guys.
Bye.